Let's check how to configure and use wireless IP camera in your mobile. Here I am using WinPC WPE6812 model. Okay, let's do this. First connect the power supply to the camera. Now the camera turn on and initializing. It will take a few seconds. Wait for complete the initialization process. Now the camera making some beep sounds. Wait for the camera to stop rotating. Now the camera stop rotating. I am going to reset this camera. Because before I was used this, so I need to clear all settings. Just press the reset button using a pin or something and hold for 5 seconds. When you hear a dong sound, just release the button. Connect the Ethernet cable to the camera LAN port. And make sure the LAN cable is connected to the network and must have a working internet connection. Connect your mobile phone to the same Wi-Fi network. And go to Apple Store or Google Play Store and download the UC application. I have mentioned the application download link in the description box. Open application. It's asking for some permission. Give the permission. And agree the privacy policy. It will take a few seconds to open the application. This is the application login page. If you don't have an account, you just sign up for the account. You can use email address for creating a new account. Here I am using my Apple ID to sign up the account. Click on plus sign to add device. Select the network cable mode. Here camera automatically take IP address from the network. Click the plus sign and add the camera. Now the camera is binding to our application. Give any name for the location and click confirm. The camera added successfully. Wait for a few seconds. Now the application shows you how to use the application. Now the camera ready. You can move the camera directions using joystick pad on the screen. For more settings, you can click the gear icon from the top right and go to the camera settings. Here you can change the camera time, date and time zone settings. It will automatically set in normal condition. Here you can change the camera reverse image mode. It's used while you fix outside the camera in upside down mode. Next thing is the volume control of the camera speaker. You can adjust the camera volume. And the other is the video format. You can select either NTSC or PAL video formats according to your country. Next is the recording settings. You can select the mode of recording as your wish. Next is TFT card recording switch. If you don't want to save recordings to your TFT card, you can disable this switch. Next is showing the available TFT card memory and how much used now. For the first time, user need to format the TFT card. While I try to do this, the error message showing that operation failed. Always remember to turn off the recording switch before you format the TFT card. Next is the ALRAM settings. If you need ARM settings on your mobile, turn on this feature. Next is alarm push account. It means which of your account need the all alarm information to be received. Next is notification mailbox. You can configure your email address here for receive the alarm notification on your mail. On the email settings, select the email provider and enter your email address and password and save it. Next is buzzer settings. If you turn on this option, application will make a warning sound while any notification coming. Next is motion detection. If any moving object or human pass in front of the camera will detect it and send a picture of the human or moving object to our registered email ID and also notify the user by camera application. Next one is network settings. You can connect camera either wired or wirelessly. Right now I have connected through LAN cable. If you need to change the connection, just select the Wi-Fi option, then list of available network will be shown there. Select which network you want to connect, and enter the password of the network. It will take a few seconds to configure. After successfully complete the configuration, you can remove the LAN cable from the camera, and fix it anywhere you wish. Now we have successfully configured the wireless IP camera. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.